CPA affiliate marketing can allow you to earn commissions quickly, and this method only takes 10 minutes. The beauty of CPA marketing lies in its accessibility. You don't need a product of your own to start earning. In this video, we'll explore the fundamentals of CPA marketing, uncover its numerous benefits, and share strategies that can help you make your first $1,000 day. Get ready to unlock the potential of this lucrative field and transform your financial future with actionable insights and expert tips. Step 1. Understanding CPA marketing. Basics is crucial for anyone looking to succeed in this field. CPA, or cost per action, is a performance-based marketing model where advertisers pay affiliates for specific actions taken by users, such as signing up or making a purchase. Unlike traditional affiliate marketing, which pays per sale, CPA focuses on actions, making it more accessible for beginners. Choosing the right CPA offers is vital. Selecting high-converting offers can significantly impact your earnings. The potential for income in CPA marketing is impressive, with many affiliates earning substantial commissions. Moreover, the scalability of this model allows you to expand your efforts, reaching a broader audience and increasing your revenue streams. Understanding these basics sets the foundation for your CPA marketing journey. Step 2. Selecting a niche is a pivotal step in your CPA marketing journey. Start by identifying profitable niches that genuinely interest you, such as health, finance, or technology. Passion for your chosen niche will keep you motivated and engaged. Next, conduct thorough research to assess market demand and competition within that niche. Tools like Google Trends and keyword research can provide valuable insights into what potential customers are searching for. It's essential to focus on niches that not only captivate you, but also feature high-paying CPA offers. By targeting lucrative offers, you can maximize your earnings and enhance your chances of success. A well-chosen niche will set the stage for your CPA marketing efforts, leading to greater profitability and satisfaction. Step 3. Finding CPA networks is essential for connecting with lucrative offers. Start by researching and joining reputable CPA networks such as Max Bounty, PeerFly, or CPA Lead. These platforms provide a wide range of offers and resources to help you succeed. Each network has its own application process and requirements, so take the time to understand what is needed to get approved. This may include providing details about your marketing strategies and experience. Once you're accepted, explore the types of offers available within each network. Look for offers that align with your chosen niche and have a proven track record of high conversions. By selecting the right networks and offers, you'll be well on your way to maximizing your earnings in CPA marketing. Step 4. Creating a marketing strategy is crucial for your CPA marketing success. Start by choosing effective traffic sources that resonate with your audience, such as social media platforms, blogs, or paid ads. Each source has its unique advantages, so select the ones that best fit your niche. Next, develop a content plan that aligns with your niche and the CPA offers you're promoting. Quality content will engage your audience and encourage them to take action. Additionally, don't underestimate the power of email marketing. It's an excellent way to nurture leads and drive conversions. By building an email list, you can send targeted campaigns that promote your CPA offers, keeping your audience informed and engaged. A well-rounded marketing strategy will significantly enhance your chances of success in CPA marketing. Step 5. Building a landing page is a vital step in your CPA marketing strategy. Start by designing a high-converting landing page that effectively highlights your CPA offer. Use eye-catching visuals and clear, concise copy to capture your audience's attention. Incorporate compelling calls to action that encourage visitors to take the desired action, whether it's signing up or making a purchase. Adding testimonials can significantly enhance credibility and build trust with potential customers. Don't forget to optimize your landing page for mobile users, as a significant portion of web traffic comes from mobile devices. A mobile-friendly design ensures that your page is accessible and user-friendly, increasing the likelihood of conversions. By focusing on these elements, you'll create a landing page that drives results and boosts your CPA marketing efforts. Step 6. Tracking and optimizing performance is essential for achieving success in CPA marketing. Start by utilizing tracking tools to monitor key metrics such as clicks, conversions, and return on investment, ROI. These insights will help you understand how your campaigns are performing. Analyze the data to identify successful strategies and pinpoint areas that need improvement. Look for patterns in what works and what doesn't, allowing you to make informed decisions. Additionally, Continuously test different approaches, such as varying your ad copy, traffic sources, or landing page designs. A/B testing can reveal which elements resonate best with your audience, helping you maximize earnings. By consistently tracking and optimizing your performance, you'll refine your strategies and enhance your overall success in the CPA marketing landscape. So, starting your journey in CPA marketing involves several key steps. Understanding the basics, selecting a niche, finding reputable CPA networks, creating a marketing strategy, building a high-converting landing page, and tracking your performance. By following these steps, you can work towards making your first $1,000. Remember, the importance of taking action and staying consistent cannot be overstated. Success in CPA marketing requires dedication and persistence. If you found this video helpful, please subscribe to our channel, like this video, and share it with others who might benefit from it. Your engagement helps us create more valuable content to support your CPA marketing journey. Let's take these steps together and unlock your potential for financial success.